Hey, what's up, everybody? Got this XS Max. Gonna fix the back glass. Gonna put the same color back on. And we're gonna change the screen too. Check it out. This is the new stuff. This is the new screen. Gonna record that when that's ready. So, see you later. Hey, what's up, everybody? This is me, Vic. I just finished fixing the XS Max. Brand new screen and brand new back glass. Super clean came out. Super nice. If you guys need anything like this done, feel free to give me a call. Right here at 760-567-8151. My name is Victor. I fix cell phones, computers, tablets, and game consoles. You need any of these types of services, hit me up. You can text me, you can call me, you can reach me on my website, you can message me on Facebook, on Instagram, or on my Google My Business page. Thank you, everybody. Have a good night, have a good day, good afternoon. Later.